Okay guys, check it out. We got ourselves a ball python clutch. JT bred this. This is gonna be a spider, clowns. So pretty cool, nice little clutch. But this is gonna be a good video, I'm pretty sure. So get ready, because we got some cool babies. We got some cool babies gonna come out of this. So check it out. This little girl, it's Mother's Day, the day after, and this little ball python thinks it's a tack ball python, but it's not gonna bite me. Although it's hissing at me like crazy. Look how nice a clutch this is. Now, we don't normally make ball python videos, but we're gonna try to start including more of them. So, but you know what we do make? Woo, baby, retic egg videos too. So we're gonna throw this little clutch in here. Now this clutch has 2, 4, 6, 7 eggs, and it's got a, I believe it's a 1 in 4 chance. Well, actually 1 in 4 for clowns, and then half of those will be spider clowns. So we're gonna take that clutch, put it away, and then we're gonna get started on this clutch right here. JT, you gonna help me? You gotta find a razor blade. Yeah. So we're gonna cut some eggs. We got a few eggs here. Now this is a golden child. We bred it to 2 different golden childs. And by the way, guys, sorry I haven't got my videos up. I got a whole bunch of cool videos. I'll be getting them up hopefully every day for the next 5 or 7 days. We'll get up some cool videos. I actually went skydiving. Don't ask me what I was thinking, but I did it. Oh, whoa, do you see that? The thing tried to kill me. What'd you do to this thing? Gee whiz, man, you take some eggs and a ball python turns into a monster. So hopefully you guys had a great Mother's Day. And so we got Sunchild Het Snow and a Platy Golden Het Snow. So we should have some, but the mother's not a Het Snow, so we should just have platinum Goldens and Sunfire Golden Aneries. So let's cut some eggs here. Give me a hand. So let's see what we got here. It's got that weird colored. So I guess there's a sun. So we know the sun is a father somewhat. Man, that's a dull razor blade. I like dull ones, but that's a little bit duller than I like. Well, some of them are fuller than others. So there's a sun tiger. There's a sun tiger, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, that's a.
So it's sun. What it is so these are sun platies. So there's some cool ones. Check this one out. So little man, it looks like a twin. Look like a twin. Whoa, look at that. Albinos. Check this one out. Kind of a mess. Look at that. That's really cool pattern. Dang, I can't figure out how cool that pattern is. Jeez. Whoa, there you go. That looks like a sun platy anery golden. Look at that, another one. Another sun platy golden. And I don't know what makes the stuff this color, because this is weird. This is more colorful than normal. And another sun platy golden anery. So we're hitting it all. Man, they're totally patternless.
There's another one.
No, that's just a platinum.
Oh, yeah.
Now here's for sure just a platinum. Boy, it's nice too. Look how good looking that is. I wonder how we got an albino. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's got a red tail too. Dang. Look, it was twins. Twin red tails. That's pretty crazy. You guys are going to have to figure that one out, huh? Wonder if we have any more of those. Wow, these eggs are really weird. Not to mention, how do we get albinos? That one's really weird, like dead. So that one drowned in the egg. Unfortunately, there's always a chance of that happening. What did he breed? What was the other father? How do you get red-tailed boas in a... Keep thinking there's more twins. Wow, this is like the weirdest...
Dwarf in there?
The weirdest colors. Yeah, these are dwarfs. There's a sun. Probably had anery. There's another golden. Look at that. Sun platy golden, no anery.
Sun platy.
For sure. Anery. There's a sun platy, not anery. No golden. There's a sun platy, no anery. There's a sun platy, anery, no golden. This is too bad it wasn't Christmas with these colors. Man, red and green and... So there is a golden child. Look at that pattern on this thing. What is that? A Super Sunfire golden. That's really weird pattern. See, it's got a pattern on the back. I can't figure this out. So the mom is a sun platy, had anery. So, you know what? We're looking at a really weird clutch. We should have ultras or Lucy's in here. Cause that's a platinum. The mother could make platinums and she can make, and that could have super suns. So this I'm not going to pop this one. Now this I can show you what they're like. Okay, so it's already broken. So this is the snake and this is the yolk. And so he's laying right on top of the yolk. That's how they're supposed to be.
Henry Golden.
Anery golden. Man, I don't know what's going on with these eggs. They are weird. So that is really small baby. And is there two or not? See, this has a hard yolk. So this is small because it has a hard yolk. I'm not quite sure, honestly, what's going on with this. I mean, if it isn't strange enough, those albinos are in here. That's really weird, but what do you guys think? What's going on here? Green. Gonna have to watch these babies because I've never seen, it's got like white stuff in it too, but the babies look fine. They're nice. They all look a little small, but then again, they're all dwarfs. They look healthy. I mean, that is a really cool snake. That must be a Super Sunfire Platinum is what those are. That's exactly what they are. So we never had a platinum to platinum. So the father was a sun. And so we have Super Suns. We have Super Sun, Super Sun, Platinums, and Sunfires. It's a crazy clutch. Look, you guys. So what do you think? Somebody play a joke on me? I don't think so, because I'd be smarter than that. Just a prank, messing around. Had to have a couple of red tails in there for fun. But what did you think when it came out? Did you think it was crazy? Look, I even sewed up the bottom. The juice, I even filled it with juice, but the juice leaked out. But hey, honestly, I'm completely confused on the color of the juice. Some of them aren't very green and some of them are like blue-green. I mean, that is really weird stuff. So only one baby looks like it has a problem. And well, it's a problem. It's not, it's dead. And everything else looks pretty good. So we're gonna put this video up and see what's going on. Meanwhile, look at that, another beautiful snake. Now you see, look at that, normal colored, everything's perfect, no weird color, and a beautiful snake. I guess a super sun. Man, it's really weird, the colors. I can't figure out why the pattern's like that. So anyway, thought we'd have some fun. These are two albino red-tailed boas, and they were born last week. So we have boas, we have ball pythons, we have everything born constantly. And this one here is a I call it a sunfire. That's pretty funny. Is a hypo albino, and you can see the pattern in the back, how different it is with the bow ties. That's usually one of the best ways to tell when they're hypo or not. So anyway, take care, guys. Hope you had some fun. Don't worry, we're gonna have some killer videos up tomorrow. Make sure you check us out. We appreciate it, and don't forget to come down and visit us and check out our Instagram. And of course, we have Facebook too. Just Instagram happens to be our favorite right now. It's really kicking tail. We appreciate all you guys following us, and thanks, and have an awesome day. I hope you had a great Mother's Day and a great week. Take care.